For this project, you will need straws, construction paper, tape, scissors, and a tape measure. For the next step, fold a sheet of paper into fourths and cut one square along the folds. You should now have 4 small squares. Now, we need to roll the sheet of paper onto a straw. If you want a longer rocket, roll the straw along the longer edge of the paper. If you want a shorter rocket, roll the straw along the shorter edge. Next, fold over one end and tape it to make a nose. Make fins by cutting along the folded edge of a square you didn't cut out and tape to the bottom of your rocket. Once you've attached the fins, your straw rocket is ready to go.